Croatia's crystal-clear waters have attracted sailors from around the world for centuries. But the coast is also known for its exquisite gem, the pride of Croatia and pearl of the Adriatic. Dubrovnik, a remarkable medieval walled city. Many towns around the world are surrounded by fortress walls. Dubrovnik's is one of the oldest, prettiest, and best preserved. This is a mighty and well-planned fortress. The walls are up to 6 meters thick on the land side, the most likely to be attacked, while on the sea side it's just 3 meters. And in some places the wall is as high as 27 meters. Historically, as well as in more recent times, these walls have provided a formidable defense and a tranquil path to unsurpassed views. Step down into the marbled main street and you'll feel like you've stepped back into history. In old Dubrovnik, cars are not allowed. Life is simple and goes on pretty much as it always has. Dubrovnik is UNESCO World Heritage Site, and it's easy to see why. One place you really should try to visit is the still active Franciscan Monastery. The ambience inside is an oasis of calm, and the frescoes colourful and vivid. Don't miss the pharmacy here. This is not just any pharmacy. This is the oldest one in continuous operation in Europe, and it sells a wonderful rose cream, still made by the local monks from their own roses.
Sviri mi sviri, sokole siri, imaš i komu sokolu tvomu.
And be sure you catch Linjo. The dances are a blend of oral history and improvisation, and a tradition that dates back centuries. I found the rhythm of the lyrics mesmerizing. The passion and enthusiasm of the performers truly inspiring. George Bernard Shaw once said, "If you want to see paradise on earth, come to Dubrovnik." I hope you'll do as I did and explore this Croatian gem for yourself.